In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine expenses in Expensify. If you've ever ended up with several individual expenses that really belong together on one report, this walkthrough will help you clean things up so your accounting is clearer and easier to manage. I'll guide you through the process step by step inside the Expensify web app. First, log into your Expensify account in your browser. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu, usually on the left side of the screen. From there, start by clicking on Reports. This is where Expensify organizes your expense reports, and it's the place you'll be moving your individual expenses into. After opening the Reports section, switch over to the Expenses area. You can do this by clicking on the Expenses option in the same navigation menu. This page lists all of your individual expenses, such as receipts and transactions, usually sorted by date. Take a moment to confirm you're seeing the correct set of expenses for the time period or report you're working on. Now, at the top of the expenses list, you'll see a header with a checkbox, or a label for selected. Right beside that, there's a small arrow or drop-down icon. Click on the arrow next to selected. This opens a menu of bulk actions you can apply to any expenses you choose. Before you use that menu, make sure you've actually selected the expenses you want to combine into one report. You can do this by ticking the checkboxes next to each relevant expense line. Choose only the expenses that should be grouped together, like all items from the same trip or project. Once your expenses are selected, click the arrow beside selected again, and this time choose the option called Move Expense. This tells Expensify you want to move those selected expenses into a different report, effectively combining them under one place. After you click Move Expense, a new screen or panel will appear prompting you to select where you want to move these transactions. You'll see a list of available reports or destinations. From that list, select the report you want these expenses to belong to. This could be an existing report for a specific month, trip, or client. Click to confirm your choice. When that's done, Expensify will move all of the selected expenses into the report you chose, combining them so they're grouped together for submission, approval, or reimbursement.